Okay, so we want to look at the second series of our ongoing common entrance preparation. Today we'll be looking at the laws of multiplication and of division. As you can see here, it is the same laws that govern multiplication that also govern division. For example, if you say plus times plus, you get plus. And if you say plus divided by plus, you get plus. If you say minus times minus, you get plus. And if you say minus divided by minus, you get plus. The reason is because if the same sign multiply or divide, you will get plus. But let us look at number 3. Plus times minus is minus. And plus divided by minus is also minus. Similarly, plus, or okay, I want to say minus times, if you say minus times plus, minus times plus, minus times plus, minus times plus will give us a minus. And if you say minus, if you also say minus divided by plus the same way, you will still get minus. Why? If it is different signs that multiply or that divide, the result will be minus. So how do we apply this to simplification of numbers? Unlike the previous one that we talk about directed number, you know that ordinarily, like under directed number, if you have minus 5 and you have plus 2, you will see it. The analogy we used then was that minus 5 plus 2 means you imagine you owe someone 5 and you have 2. So we now say what you have is not enough to pay what you are owing. If you pay part of it, you will still have 3 left to balance. It's still part of the debt. That we now write minus 3 as the answer. So although if you look at minus 5 and plus 2, minus 5 is less than 2. It's like you have 2 million now, and someone is owing 5 million. You have more rest of mind. So on the number line, negative is to the left, while negative 5 is to the left, while positive 2 is to the right. So the one to the right is greater than the one to the left. But that's not what we are talking about today. We want to apply the law of multiplication to multiply numbers out. Every number you are multiplying, it is important to take note of the sign. For example, here we have minus 3 times minus 5. First, take care of the minus. Take care of the minus first. Minus 3 times minus 5. Minus times minus is plus. And plus 3 times plus 5 will give us what? Will give us 15. So 3 times 5 is 15. Minus times minus is plus. And 3 times 5 or 5 times 3 is what? Is 15. So that plus 15, I told us in the previous video that plus 15 is simply written as 15. So for this one, 7 times 6, as there is no sign preceding them, it implies that it is positive. Positive 7 times positive 6, that is plus 7 times plus 6. So the result will be plus 42. So you simply write 42. Minus 3 times plus 5. Minus times plus is minus. Is minus. It is minus, you have to indicate it. And 3 times 5 is 15. This one, minus 4 times 1. It's still minus times plus. So which is same thing as minus times plus there. Or you just say plus 1 times minus 4. It's still the same thing. That is, that law is what we call commutative law. Whether you say 3 plus 4 or you say 4 plus 3, the order, if you reorder it, it will still maintain the answer, the same answer. So that is what we call commutative law. So here we have plus 1 times minus 4. Plus times minus is minus, and 1 times 4 is 4. So it will be minus 4, negative 4. And here, if you look at this, minus 12 divided by plus 3, that's what I put here as minus 12 divided by minus minus 12 divided by plus 3. So you first do minus divided by plus, it is minus. When two different signs multiply or divide, it is minus. So 12 divided by 3 is a 4. So we have that. That means minus 12 divided by 3 is what? Is the same way, whether you have it as 12 divided by minus 3 plus divided by minus is still minus, and which will still give us minus 4. Okay, so we want to quickly give a little exercise. Let's quickly have a little exercise here. Simplify the following. Number 1, minus 10 times minus 5. Number 2, 6 times minus 8. Number 3, 0 times minus 9. And number 4, 8 divided by minus 1. All right, thank you.